Hello everyone, I'm Padal and today I'm going to show you how to make banh mi or bacon sandwich, okay? And the stuff that you're going to need to make the sandwich are baguette, sweet French baguette, 1 extra firm tofu, cucumber, jalapeno, cilantro. These are pickled vegetable like corn and carrots, and marinades. And you need a season oil. Okay, let's go and crack them together. First, you're gonna cut this tofu. Cut them to slide, 1 piece each size. Cut it half. Cut the fingers like this. On this side. Okay. I'm going to cut into half. Okay, let's go and let's season this and fry this till brown. Okay, so turn on the stove, put a little bit of oil. Okay, wait till it's hot, and let's season this tofu. It's ready, okay? Fry this first. Let's remove 2 plates. Ready for the. Okay, let's go and make the sandwich. Okay, like this. Put some marinade. If you're vegan, then you could buy the vegan marinade. Okay, this tofu. Okay, cucumber. Carrots and more pickle. Okay. Some jalapeno and some cilantro. Okay. Okay, let's go and try the sandwich. Okay. It's crunchy. It's really good. I'll share some with my husband. It's so good. It's healthy.
하얘다. 그럼
It's
이거랑
vegan. It's very good. Okay, everyone. That's it for the mommy sandwich, vegan sandwich. Okay. So we'll see you next time. Bye bye.